Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe Analytics, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the Adobe Analytics login URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button on the top right corner. Click the sign in button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. In the first field, enter your Adobe ID or email address. In the second field, provide your password. If you want to stay signed in, check the Remember Me box. Click the Sign In button to log into your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the Adobe Analytics dashboard. If you encounter any issues, make sure to check your email and password for any mistakes. For further assistance, click on the Forgot Password link if needed. Follow the prompts to reset your password if you have forgotten it. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. Congratulations! You have successfully logged in to Adobe Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.